good, but bye by watching the video. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm making slime out of toothpaste and shampoo or whatever. I don't know. So before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the button right beside the subscribe button. And so you could get notifications when I post new videos. It'll just come right to your phone, tablet, or laptop. Alright, so let me pull out my things. So I got shampoo, this kind. Next, obviously, we need a bowl. Any kind of bowl. I'm just using this clear one. Then we need toothpaste. I have this toothpaste that I really use to brush my teeth, so I'm not going to use a lot of that. Then I got a fork to mix and a little glittery toothpaste. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to use all of this because we really don't use this type. We got this from the dentist. I really hate this type. So guys, comment down below before you get into the video or before I do anything else. Do you think it's going to be a fail or a complete? I hope it be a complete. Look at that. It's like glittery. I always wonder how they make glittery toothpaste. Edible glitter? I mean, you won't eat it, so. There's a lot more in here, guys. Okay. Let's try to roll this up. Let's get more. Okay. That's enough for that. It's all gone, guys. This is how it looks. I do like using this. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks like an octopus. I do like using that toothpaste. It's just like, I don't really like the smell. Alright, here comes a light toothpaste. I'm going to do a swirl. Maybe a little more. Okay. Because I really love this toothpaste for my teeth. So, I'm not going to use any more of that. So, just put that on my desk. So, first I want to mix this up. Now, I feel like this is going to be a very light blue, pretty color. Just look at that, guys. It's like sky blue. Oh my god. Guys, I really hope this slime turned out good. I went in a little lighter, so let's just add a little more. Okay. Now that's enough, I hope. Let's just put that away. Just want it lighter, guys. You put how much toothpaste you want. And you could use any kind of shampoo. Okay, guys. This is like sky blue color. I don't know if you guys could see the glitter, because I really can't. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Alright, hopefully this will make it smell better. It doesn't really smell anything, but it smells good, but it doesn't smell like anything. Okay, let's just add that much for now. I feel like that was... Oh my gosh, guys, this actually smells pretty good. Hopefully it works, because I don't want to waste my toothpaste. Guys, the smell is like this toothpaste, and then it's mixed with this and mixed with the other toothpaste smell. It just smells so weird. I feel like this is going to be a little too light. Guys, it's still like toothpaste. See that? It's still like toothpaste. Try more. I'm going to try to do a happy face. Maybe that'll work. Guys, look at that. It's a happy face. It's kind of ruined. But that's the eyes, supposed to be the nose, and the smiley face. Anyways. Guys, I feel like this is not gonna work. See that, guys? It's still active. I mean, it got a little sticky. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that bubble. Hopefully it worked, guys. Cross your fingers and pray for me. Okay, let's just add maybe 10 more. So, 10 seconds. Always close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just to be extra. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. It's like I put that on it and it's like so pretty. Okay, anyways. Oh my god, I just saw it forming. I just clearly saw it. Okay, guys, this got a little way too blue. Light blue. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Let me just add a little more of this so it'll be like darker. Okay. And guys, you also have to put it in the freezer for 10 seconds. So I'll show you how it looks after 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out, and then it has to sit for 30 minutes. First, let me just add a little of this. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So yeah. Oh, I'm not way too freezer. I'm just gonna add one more. Okay, 10 more. Okay, now let's go. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I put it in the freezer like twice, cause yeah, and then I let it sit for a very long time, kind of. And so let's see what's down here. Okay, I feel so we got salt. Okay. I don't really know what salt's gonna do. Hopefully, guys, really pray that's gonna work. And guys, look at this. It looks like slime, but when you touch it, it's like sticky. See? It's too sticky. Ah! Hopefully it works, guys. Pray. Guys, do you know this for Fortnite's like? Okay, let's put the rest of that. Ah, guys, pray. I don't know if you guys could see the salt, but it is in there. Let's see. Guys, pray for me. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a few more. Oh, guys, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it for you. Alright, so. Guys, you can use any salt as long as it's salt. The one you have at home. So I'm using this one. And yeah. I don't know what that picture really stands for. I just see her holding salt and then salt falling. But it's not snow, so. Hopefully it works, guys. Pray for me. Guys, I really don't know what salt to do with it, but I read it. I think I need a little more shampoo. Let's just, over here has the most. Let's just do this. Why am I even pouring any? Okay. Guys, look at that. Guys, see it? Then it disappears. Okay. Guys, comment down below if I need more shampoo. I feel like I need more shampoo. I added more salt. I didn't mean to make it S, but I'm trying to make it 8 now. Okay. So I honestly think this is a fail. Maybe if I leave it overnight. Oh, guys, look at that. It's like coming together, kind of. So, guys, I feel like what would happen if I leave it out overnight. So, I'm going to try that tonight. So, I think this is a fail. So, yeah, peace.